dear students, now we have to take application of trigonometry, that is exercise 9.1 class 10. It is also called height and distance, because in this chapter we have to measure height and distance. One will be given, another one we have to calculate. So number 3 is a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below age of 5 years, he prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle 30 degree to the ground. Let's take this. It is 1.5 meter tall and inclined at an angle 30 degree to the ground. It will be like this. It is 1.5 meter and this angle is 30 degree. Let it be A, B, C. So AC is slides. AB is 1.5 meter. Its height of the slide, and this slide is 30 degree inclined to the ground. Next is, whereas for elder children, she want to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle 60 degree to the ground. Means it is a larger slide. Its height is 3 meter. Let this one PQ is 3 meter and it is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the ground. Like this. So here in this case, PR is the slide and the slide makes 60 degree angle with the ground and its height is 3 meter. In each case, what should be the length of the slide? So we have to find here AC and here we have to find PR. ABC is a slide. Means in triangle ABC, let's write this. In triangle ABC, AC is slide. This is, for this angle, this is called perpendicular and this is called hypotenuse. The ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is called sin theta. And theta is here 30 degrees, so sin 30 degree equal to AB by AC. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 equal to AB is 1.5 meter and AC we have to find. So this implies that AC equal to 2 into 1.5 is 3 meter. In second case, in first case, the height of this slide will be 3 meter. We got the answer for case 1. In second case, it is PQR triangle. So in triangle PQR, for this angle, this is the perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Perpendicular is given and we have to find the hypotenuse. So ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is called sin theta. Here theta is 60 degree, so we have to write sin 60 degree equal to PQ by PR. We know that sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. PQ is equal to 3 meter and PR we have to find. So PR equal to root 3 into PR equal to 3 into 2. So PR equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. 3 into 2 by root 3. So here 2 is 2, 3 by root 3 is root 3 and unit is meter. In first case, the length of the slide is 3 meter and in second case, the length of the slide is 2 root 3 meter. So we got the answer for number 3. Now number 6 is, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from A. This is a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance BD from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from its eye to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walked towards the building. Suppose the boy was at D, he walked a distance up to this much. Suppose this much. Let's draw a line like this up to F and let this point be E. The boy was at CD initially, then he moved a distance DF and reaches at F, and his height is now EF, and the angle of elevation to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. So here to the angle of elevation to A is, initially it was 30 degree, then after walking a distance, let's manage this. After walking a distance, it becomes 60 degree. See here, CD equal to 1.5 meter, then let's make something that is, let this be P. Then BP is also 1.5 meter. So AP will be, AP is equal to, my dear student, initially you have to describe all these things as I have told. Then whatever I have told, you must explain it. So AP is equal to 30 minus 1.5, it will be 28.5 meter. This length AP is from here to here. It is 28.5 meter. So in triangle ACP, we know this angle is 30 degree and this is 28.5. So we can take tan 30 degree to find CP, because the ratio of perpendicular and base is called tan ratio. In triangle ACP, tan 30 degree is equal to AP by CP. We know that the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to AP is 28.5 by CP we have to find. So this implies that CP equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. Now in triangle APE, in triangle APE or AEP, let's write AEP. Tan 60 degree is equal to AP by PE. Tan 60 degree is root 3, AP is 28.5 by PE we have to find. So this implies that PE is equal to 28.5 by root 3. 28.5 can be written as, when it is divided by 3, it will be 9.5 into 3. 9.5, so it can write 9.5 into 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 by root 3, 3 by root 3 is root 3, so it will be 9.5 into 9.5 into root 3 meter. So we can find PE, the distance travelled by the boy is CE. The boy was initially at D, then he moved to F. So distance travelled by the boy is DF or CE. Both are equal. So we can write CE is equal to CP minus PE. That is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, that is 19 root 3 meter. So we got the answer for number 6. Now number 7 is, from a point on the ground E, that is the point is E, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Means this one is the building and this is tower. AC is tower. Height of the building is 20 meter. This is 20 meter. And AC is the tower. This is top of the tower. This is bottom of the tower. The bottom of the tower and top of the building are each the point C. And it is given that the angle of elevation to the top and bottom to the top is this one are 45 degree and 60 degree. The angle of elevation to the bottom and top means from E to C the angle of elevation is 45 degree, and from E to A the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Means angle CEB equal to 45 degree. Let's write this. Angle CEB is equal to 45 degree and angle AEB is equal to 60 degree. We have to find the length of the tower. Means we have to find AC. So let's start from triangle CBE. In triangle CBE, this one is given, this is given, we have to find this. So perpendicular by base is called tan ratio. So we have to take tan 45 degree is equal to CB by BE. The value of tan 45 degree is 1, CB is 20, BE we have to find. So this implies that BE is equal to 20 meter. We got BE equal to 20 meter. Now in triangle ABE, it is AB by BE is also the tan ratio of angle 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BE. Tan 60 degree is, the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. AB we have to find. BE we got, it is 20 meter. So we have to write here 20. So AB is equal to 20 into root 3 meter. From here AB equal to 20 root 3 meter. We have to find AC, the height of the tower. Height of the tower AC is equal to AB minus BC. AB minus BC. AB equal to, AB is 20 root 3 and BC is 20. 20 can be taken as common factor. The remaining is root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the answer for number 7.